Hello guys, today I'm gonna review and unboxings this TP-Link's AC1300. This is USB 3.0 and it's supporting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. As I mentioned on the box here, 400 megabit per second on 2.4 GHz and 867. Support MIMO technology antenna, beef forming, high gain superior coverage, etc. Okay, high gain, supporting Macs, Windows. Nice package. Let's unbox. All right. Oh, sorry, the camera shake. Oops. Nice product from TP-Links and cheap network equipment. Whoa. Okay. There we go. Nothing there. Okay. And that's the usual box. Ta-da! Okay, keep this on site for a minute. Nice foam. What's there? Nothing. Throw it. User menu. WPS pressing, blah blah blah. For Macintosh, Mac OS X. Okay. Quick installation guide. CD. Driver wireless products only. Usually people not read this. Okay. Let's see the product itself. Wow. Seem look like rookery. Okay. This data. Oh, sorry. I cannot show you my serial number. There we go. TP-Link, blah blah blah, FCC, FCC, and oh, this looks like more. This part, I think, antenna, 5 GHz antenna and 2.4. It's huge. Okay, compared to pen. Okay, it's huge. WPS button, and you see the label blue label here. 3.0 USB port supporting, because 5 GHz needs a huge data speed. 2.0 is limitation like 400 megabit per second, but usually people not reach that high. I'll peel this. No, keep as a virgin. Okay guys, there we go. Okay, just yeah, this is the PC I have, HP Almond. It's stick. Yes, there we go. That's how when it's plugged in on the PC, you can hold like that or like that. Okay, and now let's see on the screen. TP-Link's wireless adapter. Oh, you see my MAC address already. It's okay. And this thing, it's not getting inside. It's stable. Stay like that. There might be accidents, hit. If you plug in the PC, it might broken this. I'm looking for how to open it. This. It's got here. You can peel this off, and then you can see inside. WPS button. Okay. A label TP-Links. Not heavy, plasticky, but yeah, it's like Motorola cell phone. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, share. Any comment, any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.